Okay, children, now exercise 2.2. I'll give you oral hints for all these questions. They are simple questions. Then you put them in writing, try them. And still, if you'll have problems, then you let me know. Then I might send you the written solution for them as well. Okay. So you see to it first. Just, I think they are very simple questions. The oral hints will do it for you. So first question, a set is given to you as A is equal to all these entries 1 to 14. Then they have defined a relation from A to A, means A cross A. You will find cross product of uh, set A with itself. Okay, Cartesian product of set A with itself. Then relation has been given as x comma y, where relation between x and y, first entry and second entry, is that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x and y obviously both belong to A. Okay, the first entry will be from A, second also from A. Why? Because it is relation is from A to A. So cross Cartesian product A cross A hoga. Okay, so both the entries will be from set A, means the entries can be from 1 to 14 only. That's it. Okay, so this is your set builder form. You have to put it in roster form first, and then you'll be easily able to trace your domain and codomain and also the range. Okay, so like for doing that, you can write this equation in a more simpler way. We can take y to the other side, so it comes out as y is equal to 3x. Okay, now x, children, domain is one by one. You can pick up the elements from set A, that is 1, then you can put 2, then you can put 3, 4, 5, 6. This way you will go on putting various values of x, because x means your domain, which is the given set A. All right, so आप x कहाँ से pick up करोगे? From set A. So first you will put x as 1 and evaluate your y image of that. Okay, so y should be 3x. So if x is equal to 1, then your y comes out to be 3 into 1, 3. So your first ordered pair of the relation will be 1 comma 3. Then you put x as 2, the second entry from A. So y will be 3 into 2, 6. So 2 comma 6. Next, if you put 3, it would become 3 comma 9. Next, 4, 4 comma 12. Triple uske multiples nikalne, 3 into that value, right? Then if you put 5, it will become 3 into 5, 15. But we cannot take this entry. Why? Because 15 is not from set A. Okay, so we have to make sure the image has to be a subset of codomain. और यहाँ पे आपकी codomain क्या है? Again, set A. So set A में entries हैं from 1 to 14. So anything beyond 14 is not acceptable. So when you're taking your x as 5, you're getting y as 15, which is not from set A. So you will not include that entry. Okay. So आपकी entries सिर्फ आएंगी 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. That's it. Bus, these many entries will be there. Okay. So now you have to write the domain and codomain of and range. So domain will be all x. Collect all the x of the ordered pairs. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, 5 के लिए तो आ नहीं रहा था, तो 5 will not be included. And what will be your range? Range will be all the y's. That is 3, 6, 9, 12. And codomain, children, has to be set A cross A हुआ है. तो जो second set होता है हमारा Cartesian product का, that is a codomain, right? So I think verbally I have solved the whole question for you. You put it in writing and you'll get it easily, right? Now look at question number 2 here. Define a relation R on set N of natural numbers, which is given by the ordered pairs such that y is equal to x plus 5. So your second entry or your image is supposed to be whatever is your x plus 5. Okay, and natural numbers. Okay, then x is a natural number less than 4. Another condition is there. For domain, usne condition laga diye. X means collection of all x in the relation is a domain. And for that, this condition is there that x is a natural number less than 4. So natural number less than 4 are 1, 2, 3. So your domain would be only having 1, 2, 3, because only those 3 natural numbers are less than 4. Then you would find its corresponding image. Image will be obtained by the help of this relation. This is the relation actually. Okay, so image is x plus 5. So हमारा first entry था 1, 1 plus 5, 6. So 1 comma 6. If you're putting it in roster form, that's the question. Depict this relationship using roster form. Means you have to list the ordered pairs. Okay, so 1 comma 6, then 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, and that's it. Because आपको condition given है x has to be less than 4. So a natural number less than 4 is only 1, 2, and 3. Get that, children? Okay. Now write down the domain and range. So domain is 1, 2, 3. I've already listed that for you. And range will be the images that were 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now next, third one, A is this set given to you, B is the other one. You have to define a relation from A to B. Means R will be a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay. By the relation will be the difference between X and Y is odd. X obviously belongs to A, even if not mentioned, we know that if R is a relation from A to B, then X should be belonging to set A and Y should be belonging to set B. Okay, so the X's and Y's are present for you. So you have to write it in roster form. So you have to just check difference between X and Y should be odd. So I'll start with first entry of X. The first possibility of X is 1. So 1 you have to check now with Y's. Y can be 4, 6 or 9. So Y 1 and 4. Check the difference. 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1. Difference between that is absolute value can be taken. All right. So 4 minus 1, that's 3, which is odd. So it would be part of the relation. So 1 comma 4 आपका एक ordered pair हो जाएगा. Then you check it out with 6. So 1 minus 6, 5. I mean, take the absolute value, 6 minus 1, say. So that is 5, and another odd number. So 1 comma 6 will also be part of this relation. Then 1 and 9, if you put together, now 1 minus 9, or not, rather 9 minus 1 will give you 8, which is not odd. That's an even number. So 1 comma 9 relation में नहीं include करोगे. Okay? तो 1 के साथ किस किस का pairing होगा? 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 6 only. Then you pick up 2 likewise. Then check 4 minus 2. That is not to be included because 2 are there, which is even. Then 2 and 6. 6 minus 2. Again 4. Then 9 minus 2, 7. This will be included. Okay. So this way you have to keep checking. Likewise, you check with 3. 3 ka difference sabke saath dekho, 4, 6 and 9. Whichever one comes out to be odd, include that in the relation. If it doesn't, that will not be part of our required relation. So that ordered pair will not be included. Okay. That is all you need to do. So check that out. Now in figure, next fourth question, 2.7 given here. You have to, this shows a relationship from set P to set Q. You have to write this relation in set builder form, in roster form. What will be its domain and range? Okay, let's go the other way around, easier way. Domain. Domain for this would be, domain has to be from the first set. So domain will have 5, 6, 7. Okay. And range will be the image. ये जिनसे mapped है, वो इनकी range हो जाती. Okay. So range will be 3, 4, 5. Then roster form, listing is easier. So first let's do the listing and then we'll define it. We'll frame the equation or set builder form for that. So in roster form, ordered pairs would be 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Right? Now, if you have to just observe these ordered pairs, and what do you think? What is the relation between the two variables, X and Y? First, the two entries of the ordered pair. में क्या similarity दिख रही है आपको? See, the difference of both of them is 2. All right? Or rather, X minus 2 is giving you Y, or Y is equal to X minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. So anyhow, you can present it. You know how to write in roster. All these above given, these were the set builder forms. This is how you need to present when they are saying set builder form. So R is equal to this relation. Write this X comma Y ordered pairs आएंगे उसमें, such that you will write for your relation in question number 4, Y is equal to X minus 2. That is how you can present it and write. Okay. Then fifth one, let A is equal to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and R be a relation defined on A. Relation defined on A means A cross A. Okay, your domain and codomain both is going to be set A. So R is a relation defined on A, which is defined as the A comma B such that A and B both belong to A, that I've already explained you. B is exactly divisible by A. So the second entry has to be exactly divisible by A. So I think today in the morning, this one example I had explained you, that was from Cartesian product, but this kind of relation was there, divisibility. Okay, so just check it out. आप अपना A को भी ऐसे ही देखो and B को भी ऐसे ही देखो. Your entries A will also be 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 6 and B will also have entries. B means the codomain will also have the entries 1 2 3 4 and 6, and you just need to check between the ordered pairs if the two are divisible, if the second one is divisible by first. So if you take first 1 comma 1 will be part of it because every number is divisible by itself. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6, ये तो आ ही जाएंगे because every number is divisible by itself. Then next you see 1, every number is divisible by 1. 1 divides every number. So 1 की आपके बाकियों के साथ भी pairing हो जाएगी 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. All those entries will also come. Then next you have to move on to the second entry now 2. अब 2 का चेक करो. Obviously आप नीचे नहीं जाओगे, अब आप ऊपर वालों को ही देखोगे because the number dividing has to be smaller. Okay, so with 2 you will see B is exactly divisible by A बोल रहे हैं ना, so B has to be greater. So with 2 you would check 3. 3 is not divisible by 2, so 2 comma 3 will not be part of your relation. Then go for 4. Yes, 2 comma 4 will be part of relation because 4 is divisible by 2. Then 2 comma 6 will also be part of your relation because 6 is divisible by 2. That is how you do it. Okay, then you pick up your next element 3. 3 comma 4 not part of this relation. 4 is not divisible by 3. Then you go for 3 comma 6. Yes, 3 2 is 6, so 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, so ऐसे ही आपको देखना है. Next 4 comma 6 will not be there because 4 is not 6 is not divisible by 4. Okay, that is it. हमने already similar pairs I have included already first. Okay, so write it in roster form. Okay, what I was listing just now, that was your roster form. Okay, then find the domain. So roster form se collect all your X, those are your domain, and range when it is saying all the Y's will be your images, right? Will be forming your range. So I think you can do that. Next is your sixth one, which says determine the domain and range of the relation R, which is defined as X, and Y की जगह उसने Y का definition लिख दिया है. Y would be X plus 5. Okay, this is another way of writing it in roster form. जैसे यहाँ था X comma Y and फिर उसने Y लिखा था X plus 5. See, exactly that's the relation. Okay, तो उसने यहाँ पे Y की जगह ये definition ही लिख दी है that Y would be X plus 5. Okay, so that kind of relation and X belongs to this. So X की 1 by 1 value रखते जाओ, उसका corresponding image निकालते जाओ. That is all you need to do. Okay, defined by R, relation R defined by fine. Okay, so but then you have to again make sure that your Y, no, they have not given any restriction for Y, so yes, you simply need to do that. 0 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, that way it will go on. Okay, so pick up entries of X from here and find corresponding Y. That's it. Then seventh one, write the relation R X comma X cube. अभी यहाँ पे भी Y नहीं लिखा है उसने, बस whatever is your X, उसका cube will become your Y. X is a prime number less than 10. So, you know, list all your prime numbers less than 10. That will form your domain. Okay. So first entry would be 2. 1, I hope you all remember, 1 is not to be included as a prime number. Okay. We start, when we talk about prime numbers, we start with 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Those are all the prime numbers which are less than 10. So then write their cube. So first entry will be 2 and 2 cube is 8. Then 3 cube is 27. So that way you have to go on. Just list all of them. That's your roster form. Domain range bhi पूछता है, तो now by now you know all X's are your domain and the images form your range. Next, A is given as X, Y, Z. B is 1 comma 2. Find number of relations from A to B. Okay, so that is again formula based. Number of relations from A to B. So A cross B, Cartesian product of A cross B. Cartesian product A cross B will have how many entries? 3 into 2. 6 entries will be there. So A cross B will have 6 entries. And जितने इसके subsets होते हैं, number of relations, what have we said? Relations are subsets of A cross B. तो जितने subsets होते हैं उतनी relations होंगी. So how many relations and number of subsets is given by the formula? 2 to the power of n. So n for A cross B is coming as 6. 3 2s are 6. So number of relation which is equal to number of subsets would be 2 to the power of 6. That is 64. Now, ninth one, R is a relation on Z means integers defined by R is equal to A comma B. A and B are integers and A minus B is an integer. Okay, then you have to find the domain and range. So nothing difficult here. So should I leave this question for you all? Just give this a try. Somewhat similar kind of question we have taken, only that this time it is integer. तो वहां पे अभी ऊपर में एब्सोल्यूट बोल रही थी, यहाँ पे हमको प्लस माइनस दोनों वैल्यूज लेनी है. So दोनों पेयर्स आ जाएंगे आपके. Okay, let me see what you do for ninth question. If still there's a problem, then we'll discuss that again. Okay.